In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when it keeps on saying whenever you try to upload something onto Instagram that it has failed. So this can be happening for a few reasons, and one of the main reasons why this typically will happen is that you're on a bad internet connection. So if you're on a Wi-Fi connection that's not strong enough, like you don't have full bars, or your data is in a bad area where there's no signal and things like that, what you can do to try to rectify this problem is to just swipe down from the top of your screen and turn off Wi-Fi and then stay on your mobile data. If it's the mobile data that's causing the issue, you can turn off mobile data and go onto Wi-Fi. It's different on every phone, but try that method and see if that works. If it's still not working, what you can try and do is just swipe out from the app. So you can close out the app by swiping out, and then you can go back into Instagram. See if that rectifies the problem. Sometimes things just get jammed up within the app and you just need to swipe out of the app real quick and then go back in to see if that rectified the problem. And the last thing that could be happening here is that Instagram is actually down. Now Instagram does go down quite often, so well, recently anyway. So if you suspect that Instagram is down, what I typically do is I type "is Instagram down" into YouTube, and if a whole bunch of videos pop up, then typically Instagram is down, and then all you need to do in that situation is wait for Instagram to come back up. Typically they fix it within a couple of hours. So that will be the third reason why your uploads are failing on Instagram. But mainly this issue is caused by having a poor Wi-Fi connection or a poor data connection. So just switching between the two can really help you out. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.